Hello guys, I'm Roosevelt, and then in this video I'll be showing you how to create a knockout text effect in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So I have my image here and I'll start by selecting my type tool. Then I'll type out my word, but then I'll be going with the word Miami. Then let's resize it. Nice. So once we resize it, let's place it at the center of our worksheet. So to do that, just press Command A or Control A. Then let's align it. To align it to the center of our worksheet. So let me enlarge it once again. Nice. Okay, so with this done, what we do is we will select the background layer, then select the rectangle tool, and then we will draw a rectangle at the back of our text image. So something like this, okay. Now let's center the rectangle to the middle of our worksheet. So once again, just press Command A or Control A and place it in the center of our worksheet. Now let's change the color of our rectangle. Let's change it from white to black. Okay, let's maintain the color of the rectangle to white. Then let's change the color of our text from white to black. Let's change from white to black. Nice. So now we know that the text is the one in the black, and then the rectangle is the one in the white color. Okay, now what we do is, with the text layer selected, let's go to Effect, then select Blending Options. So in the blending options, what we do is, first let's change the knockout size. You see, with the knockout it is set to none, so let's change it from none to shallow. And then what we do next is to set the full opacity. This one, let's set this full opacity from 100% to 0%, and select OK. Now if you see that we can see our image, the background image, through our text over here, which is Miami. So that's how to create the knockout text effect in Adobe Photoshop. Okay guys, so this is how to create the knockout text effect in Adobe Photoshop. Really enjoyed this video, kindly like, comment, and then also share with others. And in case you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. See you in the next video.